Health benefits of honey and cinnamon mixture. If you did not subscribe this channel yet, then please hit the subscribe button to subscribe Top 8 for Health. The mixture of honey and cinnamon has been considered a cure for any kind of diseases for centuries. It was believed that this perfect combination may restore vision to the blind and even raise the dead. Read what can this combination treat and heal. Number 1. Arthritis. Mix 2 tablespoonfuls of honey and 1 tablespoonful of cinnamon powder in a cup of boiling water. Drink the resulting mixture in the morning and evening. With regular consumption, even chronic arthritis can be cured. Number 2. Longevity. Regular consumption of tea in combination with honey and cinnamon can prolong your life. Mix 4 tablespoonfuls of honey, 1 tablespoonful of cinnamon powder and 3 tablespoonfuls of water. Cook the resulting mixture and make it in the form of tea. Drink 1/4 of a cup 3 to 4 times a day. Your skin will be soft and fresh. Number 3. Cholesterol. Mix 2 tablespoonfuls of honey and 3 tablespoonfuls of cinnamon in a big cup of tea. Once you drink the tea, the level of cholesterol will be reduced by 10% within 2 hours. Number 4. Heart diseases. Make a paste made of honey and powdered cinnamon. Spread the paste on a slice of bread and eat it as a breakfast regularly. This will reduce cholesterol level and will also prevent heart attack. Number 5. Cold. In case you try to get rid of a cold, then consume a tablespoonful of honey in combination with 1/4 of a teaspoonful of cinnamon. Consume this mixture 3 days in a row. The healthy combination will help you get rid of the cold as well as of chronic cough and inflamed sinuses. Number 6. Immune system. Regularly consume honey with cinnamon. This will strengthen your immune system and will protect your organism of bacteria and viruses. Number 7. Weight loss. Add some honey and powdered cinnamon in a glass of water and stir well. Drink the mixture every morning on an empty stomach half an hour before breakfast. With regular consumption, it will stimulate weight loss even in obese people. Number 8. Cancer. Recent research has shown that honey and cinnamon can help in treating stomach cancer. Patients who suffer from this type of cancer should consume a teaspoonful of honey mixed with 1 teaspoonful of powdered cinnamon every day for 3 whole months. For more videos, please subscribe, like and share Top 8 for Health. Thanks for watching.